If you use a laptop for office work, you probably know this problem. You connect your mouse, keyboard, maybe a USB drive, and suddenly you have run out of all the USB ports. And that's exactly where a simple USB hub like this one, can be really very useful. Hey people, this is Ratna, and you're watching the Gizmo Tube. So today, I'm taking a look at this ASA 4-in-1 USB 3.0 hub, and I'm going to talk about it from a practical office use perspective, what I like about it, what you need to know before buying it, and whether I think it's actually worth considering. So this is a 4-port USB hub that takes a single USB A port on your laptop or PC and gives you 4 additional USB A ports. Like this, you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4. It has like 4 ports here. And honestly, that's the main reason you'd buy something like this. Instead of constantly unplugging your mouse to connect a pen drive, you can have multiple USB devices connected at the very same time. For an office setup, this can be pretty convenient. Now, here's where I think a hub like this makes the most sense. Imagine you're sitting at your desk with the laptop. You have a keyboard connected, a mouse connected, maybe a wireless receiver, and then you need to connect a USB flash drive. With only one or two available USB ports, things can get annoying pretty quickly. With this hub, you get 4 ports in one place. So you can leave your regular accessories connected and still have extra ports available when you need them. It's also plug and play, and there's no complicated software or driver installation mentioned. So you just need to plug this in your laptop and it will start working. You basically connect it to your computer and use your USB devices. And for everyday office work, that's exactly the kind of convenience I want from a USB hub. Now, let's talk about something more important, the USB 3.0 ports. All 4 ports support USB 3.0. All of these are supporting USB 3.0. With the product claiming speeds of up to 5 Gbps. It is claiming this, but it's not necessarily important for all of the ports. Obviously, your actual transfer speed will depend on the computer, the USB device that you're using, storage device, and the files you are transferring. So I wouldn't take that 5 Gbps number as a guarantee that every file will always transfer at that speed. But the important thing is that you're getting USB 3.0 rather than being limited to older USB 2.0 ports. That makes a difference if you are regularly moving files using a USB 3.0 compatible flash drive or external storage. For things like keyboards and mice, though, you won't really notice a speed difference because those devices don't require much bandwidth. So the high speed capability matters much more when you are actually transferring files rather than using your normal peripheral devices. Now, there is one more thing I really want to point out because this could easily be misunderstood. You'll notice there is a USB C port, this one, labeled as IN5V, okay, in 5 volt. Don't assume this as a USB C charging port. This one is not your charging port. It is mentioned very clearly on the platform. It's not for charging your laptop or other devices, and it's not for data transfer either. According to the product information, this port is there as a 5 volt power input for the hub itself, mainly to provide more stable power to the connected USB A devices. So if you are buying this thinking, great, I also get a USB C charging, that is not what this is. And I think this is probably the most important thing to understand before you go and buy it. Another useful feature is that all 4 USB A ports can be used simultaneously. So you don't have to choose between your keyboard, mouse, flash drive, and another USB accessory. Of course, there's still a limit to how much bandwidth and power your computer's USB connection can actually provide you. But for normal office peripherals, having 4 available ports is definitely very convenient. You could have your keyboard and mouse permanently connected and still have 2 ports free for things like a flash drive, printer, webcam, or another USB accessory. I myself keep this connected always with my office laptop because my keyboard and mouse go in this. So it's like permanently connected with my laptop. For this video, I've taken this out obviously, but normally it is just always connected with my laptop, and I never use this for anything else. I have other ports for my other systems. As far as compatibility goes, this hub is designed to work with systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS, along with a wide range of USB-A devices. So basically, it is really compatible with almost all the devices that you might use. The compatibility list also mentions devices from brands like Acer, Dell XPS, Microsoft Surface, Lenovo, ThinkPad, and others. So it's not something that's limited to one particular laptop brand. You can literally use it with anyone. My personal, my laptop, which this particular device is connected with, is of Asus. So yeah, it's worked really well with it as well. And I also use it with sometimes with the Acer laptop, and I have another one which is the Dell laptop. So I use this particular one with all of them. When I bought it in January, I used it with everyone else, and then I started buying more hubs because it's just convenient to keep everything connected permanently rather than switching it every 2 hours or every 6 hours. Yeah. So now let's move on to what I actually like about it. First of all, four USB 3.0 ports we're getting here. That's probably the biggest advantage. Second, plug and play operation. You don't have to deal with complicated installation anything else, to be honest. Third, the wide compatibility means you can potentially use it across different computers. And fourth, the additional power input option can be useful if you are connecting multiple USB devices and need more stable power. Plus, you get 12 months of support from the brand itself, which basically means warranty, which is always good to have. A warranty always just gives you a little peace of mind whenever you are buying any kind of electronic or gadgets or electrical appliances. But now, there are a couple of things I'd keep in mind. The biggest one is that there's no USB-C data ports. There is no USB-C data ports. These all are USB-A data ports. Please, keep that in mind. That USB-C port that you see here is only for 5-volt power input and nothing else. You cannot transfer files. You cannot use it as any other charging device. So if you are hoping to connect a USB-C flash drive or use this as a USB-C hub, this isn't really designed for that. Although I'm going to attach a few links of those docking stations as well, which might have more ports and even more compatible with the USB-C devices and other kind of things. Whichever I find useful, or as per user reviews, whichever I find more successful in the market, I'm going to attach the links of all those devices in the description box below. So you will be able to find those products as well without really looking for them a lot. But yeah, this is the one that I have. So I'm trying to give you the advice as per my usage, to be honest. This one is basically doing just one job. It is taking one A port from your laptop or from your car system and giving you 4 USB-A ports. And honestly, that's fine as long as that's what you're looking for. Now, the biggest question here is who should actually go for it or who should actually buy it. So I'd say it's a good option if you have a laptop or PC with limited USB-A ports and regularly use multiple USB accessories. For example, office users with a keyboard and mouse, people who frequently use USB drives, students, or anyone who simply needs a few additional USB ports. But if you mainly use USB-C devices or you're looking for HDMI, Ethernet, memory card support, or laptop charging, I'd look at a more feature-placed USB-C docking hub instead. I'm gonna attach a link of that one in the description box below. So keep that in mind as well. Overall, I think the Acer 4-in-1 USB hub makes sense if you keep your expectations simple. It's not trying to be a complete docking station. Okay, it is not a docking station. It's just a normal hub which is giving you multiple USB-A ports instead of having just one or two in your personal device. The biggest thing to remember is that the USB-C port marked input 5-volt is for power input only, not charging and not for data transfer. Alright guys, that's it for today's review. I hope this video gave you a better idea of what this Acer USB hub actually offers and whether it's suitable for your office setup. If you found the review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest and practical product reviews. And let me know in the comments how many USB devices do you usually have connected to your system while working. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.